Motor Sales, and this is our 2020 Chevrolet Equinox in the beautiful blue Pacific. You won't notice it today, but in the sun, this vehicle sparkles. It has a 1.5 liter turbo engine, which is going to give you great fuel efficiency. It also is loaded with several goodies on the inside, so let's take a closer look. Starting with the cargo area, you have a considerable amount of space back here, and also you do have additional space under here for smaller items, with the ability to drop down a 60/40 split folding seats if you need to extend your cargo space further. In the rear, passengers have access to the USB ports as well. Stepping into the front seat, you have a nice black cloth interior. Driver does have power seats. Both driver and passenger have the benefit of nice heated seats, which is great in the wintertime. Technology, we do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so that allows you to connect your smartphone right to your vehicle and access Bluetooth for hands-free calling right on your steering wheel.